The advanced program really set me up for success by providing me both a student and attorney mentor.
Everything I saw about Arizona State was about the student. The advanced program, absolutely no exception.
I think I bring a unique perspective from my military background, but everyone else was bringing perspectives equally unique and equally powerful.
The advanced program has been really great in connecting us with different professors. It really cares about supporting students both academically and socially.
It helped me because I was able to meet with a group of diverse students before law school actually started. And so whenever this marathon really began, I had that core group of people that I already knew, and they helped keep me grounded. And we spent a lot of time together. So I appreciate that opportunity just to be able to connect with them before this started.
The cohort group. We have this tight-knit group of 20 individuals that were selected in the program. We're still close to this day. We rely on each other, we study with each other. That was invaluable.
I'm really socially anxious in new situations, and I just don't adapt very well. And so to have a small group of people who come from similar backgrounds really just helped me get adapted socially. With 3 extra days of orientation, really just made the transition to an already stressful environment much, much easier.
It really gave me the confidence and the tools I needed to hit the ground running for my first semester here at Arizona State.